Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe here today, and I want to do a video on my 5 favorite apps that pay you that are passive, that are not watching videos. I know that's a mouthful what I just said, but basically these are apps that are incredibly passive. Video apps usually pay pretty well for being passive. You know, you watch videos, you don't have to do much to interact with it, you watch them and you earn. However, these apps earn you a little bit less. You're not going to earn a lot with these apps. These apps are just so passive, you'll never have to worry about them, but you can get a few redeems a year, a few redeems a month. And if you want any more information about any of these apps, as with all the top 5 videos, I'll leave a link below to all links to archive sections on thetechslugs.com where you can check out more details about the apps. There's also links to other videos about these apps. So anyway, with that being said, let's get started. So the first app I want to talk about is Panel App, and this is an app that's for iOS and Android. I have it installed on my main phone, which is an iOS device, my personal phone, and I use this. Basically, I never use it. You put it on and it tracks your usage on your phone, your location, things like that, and you earn points. And I get a few redeems a year, probably $30 to $40. And I know that's not a lot, but remember what I said, I literally never touch it. They also have good payment options. They have Amazon gift cards, which is basically all I need, but there's many other gift cards on there if you want. The next app on the list is also Android and iOS, and that is Sweatcoin. This is an app that basically pays you to walk. Pays you to exercise. The more you move outdoors, the more you earn. You don't really earn for moving indoors. You have to be outdoors moving around. It's very good for me for how much walking I do now. And if you do live in a sort of urban type area where you walk a lot or you just go on trails, it'll be a good app for you. And yeah, so it's just basically you install it, you allow the location usage so that way that they can track your steps and you earn. They have Amazon and PayPal on this app. So the next 2 apps I want to talk about are for Android only, and they're basically paid to message apps. And these apps are MC Money and Money SMS. I'm sort of putting them as one, and basically these apps pay you whenever they send you a text. They don't pay you right away, they put it in a deposit on the app, and then there's a minimum cash out, and you can cash out for PayPal. So fairly passive, not too much earning, but not very intrusive on your life. The next app on this list that is passive but not videos is an app that is actually fairly intrusive compared to the last 3 we talked about. And it's also a fairly new app, and it's called Cash Magnet. I would not recommend putting this device on your main phone, as the last 3 I would see being fine on your main phone or personal phone. This app is always running up in center, it's up front, what it's doing is it's viewing websites on your phone. And Cash Magnet, while it is less intensive than watching videos, it's still going to be using your phone, using processing power, and you won't be able to do other things on the phone while it's running. However, since it is more intrusive and uses more resources on your phone, so you earn more with Cash Magnet than you would from any of these other apps. I still have to do another video on this one just to talk about it, but I'm still experimenting with it on Android devices, as this is an Android-only application. So the last thing on this list isn't really an app, it's called Free Eats, and it goes last because this is another paid-to-message application that can be for iOS or Android, and as a matter of fact can be for any phone. It doesn't have to be a smartphone, so if you have a dumb phone you can still use this to earn money as long as you have a PayPal account. What you do is when you actually have to go to freeeats.com to sign up, and when you do that you just put in your phone number and they'll send you messages. Every time they send you a message you get paid, so there's no minimum cash out. That's one of the benefits. It's just sort of an instant payment. However, I earned very little with Free Eats. I probably got 3 messages last year from Free Eats. The year before when I signed up I got a good many, so perhaps you'll do better once you sign up and you're a new user. They'll send you a lot more, but once you become an older user I don't think you earn a lot with Free Eats. So that is it for the top 5 list of things I've actually used and tried. The last 3 apps I haven't used a lot, and the first one on this list is called Mile Up. This is an app that pays you to drive but doesn't really pay you to drive. They used to have gift cards, which was really cool. Like if you were an Uber driver or something and you drove around a lot, or a taxi driver, you just stick Mile Up on your phone and you'd earn a fair amount, you know, for actually just riding around in your car and earning points. It also has a stat feature on there to tell you how much you're using your phone versus other drivers and how your driving is. But then they took away the earning option and now it is only sweepstakes. Not interested in all of that. I like guaranteed stuff. So because there's no guaranteed gift cards or rewards, I wouldn't put this on a top 5 list, but interesting idea nonetheless. The next up on this list is an app that is coming out. It's fairly new. It's called Data Wallet, but there's no actual earning implementation yet. You link your social media, and as you can guess, they track your data on your social media. I think you can also link your Amazon account, and then they're supposed to pay out in certain coins, perhaps Ethereum I saw in the app. I don't know. I don't think it's fully finished yet, but it is released. Then the last app on this list that looks pretty interesting is sort of like Sweatcoin, as I talked about, only Sweatcoin is more established. It's called Lifecoin, and it's basically the same thing. It pays you to walk, but I literally just got the app. I'll put all these below as well if you want to check them out, as well as they are in the archives too. but I haven't used Lifecoin enough yet. Yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any other suggestions for top 5 videos or money-making videos you want to see, you can leave them down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff as usual. Also, check out on the Tech Slugs, we have a promotion going on where you earn more on everything found on the Tech Slugs. I'll leave a chart right here in front of me right now. Basically, we increased the referral earnings from 5% to 20%. Video earnings are now to 10 points. And all these promotions are going to last until May 8th, I believe, about a month from now. And yeah, I'll leave a link below for you to sign up if you're interested in that. But other than that, that's it for this video, and I hope to see you guys later. Have fun making money. Thank you for watching this video meant to help you make more money with smartphones and computers. The link above me is a link to my website with the Getting Started series and a cache archive section where you can sort through hundreds of smartphone apps that make you money. Any more specific questions can be directed to me at my contact page or on any of the communities listed this way.